Happy New Year 2024. I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com and I am with Liz from Sew A Lot. So we're the ones that do the Husqvarna Viking Bootcamp online course and the Pfaff Bootcamp online course for Wi-Fi compatible machines. And we are doing today the update. So we're very excited that the MySewNet.com website has been updated and finally to a point where we can start talking about all the new things. So we are recording a couple new videos. If you're already a student, you will find these in the course and you can check those out. So Liz, what have you been up to for this new year and what are you excited about for the MySewNet?
I'm loving this new vault, that's being able to save all my designs in one space and keep them organized and put them in. I love labels, and be able to label all the designs and categorize them and find them all is just, it's so fantastic. I love it.
So we have done a video clarifying all the questions that we've been getting at our stores on what's the difference between the MySewNet Cloud and the MySewNet Vault. So we'll put the links below.
That's a big, do I need both? What are the, why isn't this working? What do I need to make it? So there's been a lot of questions.
So yes, so we're going to put the links to that video below. You can go check those out. But another thing is that so many people have these Wi-Fi compatible machines and are only using the basics. Right. And one of the things that we're talking about with the bootcamp courses is all the things that are free that came with your machine. And one of the things that we always said is there's no supply list. You already have everything we talk about in these courses came with your machine.
So in the bootcamp courses, we actually go over all of that free stuff, the free stuff that's on MySewNet, the apps that you can use on your phones, the Sew Notice where it's going to text you and tell you when you need to change threads. And we go over all that and how to make it work with you.
Do you know that our bootcamp courses actually became our second most popular courses sold?
I can believe it. People come up to me all the time, like they know me, and tell me thank you because I've helped them. We've helped them so much with learning their machines.
Had a gal, because we still teach, in-person classes. And I went and opened the door for somebody because it was a big class. So there was the embroidery unit and the sewing machine unit. And I opened it and she just stopped and she's like, oh my gosh, you're that girl. She had no idea that I was the one teaching the class, that I was actually in her town, but she had already taken the classes. And you know what? She was so knowledgeable just because she had already realized that there was so much to learn and she had started the bootcamp journey and she asked better questions than everybody else.
Because she had a good foundation. She knew what was happening. It wasn't just using and just putting in a design and stitching it out. She had learned all this other stuff about the machine.
So we do have free videos that you can watch in our courses to see if this course would be right for you, because Liz and I get very excited and we keep talking about all these cool things. Come check out what we have for you to watch to see if this would be the right place to go. And I know when I've been teaching just basic guide classes at our store, I mean, these bootcamp courses are 6 hours plus long, and there's no way I can teach this class as a regular hands-on class. It was how long did it take us to build that class?
A week.
Yes.
We were there every day
twice. Because we did 1 week all on the Husqvarna Viking Wi-Fi compatible machines. And then we did a whole nother week on the Pfaff Wi-Fi compatible machines. And we're excited for the new, there are going to be more models coming out that have Wi-Fi capabilities.
And we'll just keep adding information on those models as they come out. Because the nice thing is it's not a subscription. You can go back and rewatch videos.
Yes,
yours and we're signed in.
And like we're doing now, we're doing some updates because things have updated since the last couple of years, since we did the original filming, and we're pretty excited of all the new things. And I know they're going to be adding things going forward as well.
Yes. So yes, we hope that you take an opportunity to go check out some of those free videos and see if the class is right for you.
and for those of you who have these fabulous machines, remember, I've got some other courses like the Stitching Cosmos online course. We've got the rehooping class, which is going to focus on the Pfaff precise positioning function and the Husqvarna Viking design positioning function. So if you're not mastered those and you struggle with rehooping, this course is right for you. So check out all of the different ones that we have available. It really will make a difference going forward that you really understand your machine. So if you're hungry for that information, or your dealer has closed, or you're just far away from your store, we can be that source of information. Plus, Liz and I are here for your questions. So you can ask any questions along the way. You can reach out to us and get immediate information and answers back on your specific questions.
So we hope that you go and take the opportunity to go check out the courses and really utilize the machine that you love so much.
We hope to see you in class soon.